So guys, today I'm gonna tell you what you should do before the first use of your ELECTROLUX Dishwasher MaxiFlex. So, in the first step, turn on your appliance and hold the quick and echo button together to open the settings. And now you have to set your water hardness. How to do it you can find on the YouTube and the other tutorials to manage this feature. On the first bar is a water hardness. You have to click on the middle of the slider to manage this function. Now by the echo and quick button you can set the water and adjust it to water hardness in your house. To save the settings, turn off your appliance. Okay, now you have to refill the rinsate and the salt. How to do it you can find on the other video on our channel. And start the quick washing cycle with no any load inside on the empty dishwasher, of course with the baskets, and with no any detergent. Just start the quick quick cycle, and after that you can start your normal washing cycle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.